Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wix affiliate program links using custom members areas. To configure Wix affiliate program links using custom members areas, begin by logging into your Wix account. Navigate to your site dashboard. From the left side menu, select Manage Site. Click on Members to access member settings. Choose Members area from the drop-down options. If you haven't already, enable the Members area by clicking the toggle. This feature allows you to create personalized areas for your members. Next, click on Add to create a custom page for your affiliate program. Select Page from the options that appear. Name your page something relevant, like Affiliate Links or Partner Program. Now, click on Add again to insert elements into your new page. Choose the text element to add descriptive text about your affiliate program. Make sure to include details about the benefits of joining. Next, add a button from the Elements panel. Label the button something enticing, like Join our affiliate program. With the button selected, link it to your affiliate sign-up page. You can do this by clicking on the link icon in the button settings. Now, let's add the affiliate links for your products or services. Drag and drop a button element for each affiliate link you want to include. Customize the text on each button to describe what members will gain. Again, link each button to the respective affiliate URLs. Ensure that each link opens in a new tab for a smoother user experience. Once your buttons are set, preview your page by clicking the Preview button at the top right of the editor. Check that all links work correctly and that the layout is visually appealing. If everything looks good, click Publish to make the page live. Now that your members area is set up, go back to the members settings. Adjust permissions to ensure only your registered members can access the affiliate program page. This can be done under the Permissions tab. Select who can view the page and customize it accordingly. Finally, check your site once more to ensure everything is functional. You've now successfully configured your Wix affiliate program links using custom members areas. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.